automatic IP rotation with Tor on Kali Linux.
This guide provides step-by-step instructions with visual references for setting up automatic IP rotation through the Tor network on Kali Linux. Step 1. Install Tor. Open your terminal by clicking the terminal icon in your taskbar or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Alt+T. Type the following command to install Tor and enter your password when prompted. Confirm the installation by pressing Y when asked. Step 2. Start the Tor service. After installation completes, start the Tor service with copy sudo systemctl start Tor. Then verify if Tor is running properly using the command copy sudo systemctl status Tor. You should see green text indicating the service is active, running. Step 3. Installing Tornet. Install the Tornet Python package using copy sudo pip install Tornet. Step 4. Configure Firefox. Open in Firefox from your application menu or taskbar, then click the menu button, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then scroll to the bottom of the Settings page and find Network Settings and click the Settings button. And in the Connection Settings dialog, select Manual Proxy Configuration. For SOCKS host, enter 127.0.01. For port, enter 9050. Check the box Proxy DNS when using SOCKS v5. Click OK. Step 5. Start IP rotation. Return to your terminal and run Tornet with the desired rotation interval like copy sudo tornet interval 3, count 0. Using this, you should see output showing your IP address changing every 3 ck.